Welcome to KROMTEKNOLOJi Machinery. KROMTEKNOLOJi Machinery was established in 2011 in Turkey. Our company is manufacturer of milk, cheese, and all kind of dairy stuff processing, production and packaging equipments. We make white cheese, labneh cheese, cream cheese, Gouda cheese, kosher and mozzarella cheese machines as cheese process. In addition to cheese equipments, we make milk storage, cooling and transfer units. We give services for production and installation phases. Our main principle is produce machines with top-class workmanship and give perfect technical service. Since establishment, we sent our machines to over the 45 countries in the world. We grow with our references. You could reach to our engineers and get information about your projects. We can take away you to facilities and processing machines that installed by us. You are in the organizational activity with our company. Firstly, we project to your process. After that, produce and make guidance to you. Our company prefers to quality and teamwork like us. And KROMTEKNOLOJi has best quality and teamwork systems. Do not hesitate contact with us. Best regards.